如果外國人讀錯你嘅姓，唔知你會唔會由得佢呢？以前讀大學上第一日嘅 lecture， 咁位老師咧就叫咗位同學做 Alice Ng。咁落堂之後咧，我就走去問佢，其實你姓乜嘢㗎？咁咧佢就話其實佢係姓吳嘅，只不過係有太多人將佢嘅姓讀成 Ng， 所以咧佢就接受咗。其實有幾個廣東話嘅姓氏對於外國人嚟講咧係特別難讀嘅。咁今日教下大家點樣教佢哋讀。第一個係吳，第二個係宋，第三個係曾，第四個係梁。不過唔好期望佢哋會讀到 100%。首先，呢一個姓咧，外國人通常會讀成 ing。你應該咁樣教佢哋。Think of the word sing, but make the nasal sound longer. Sing, that's the sound. 之後，宋呢一個姓，外國人會讀生。同樣道理，容佢哋會讀恩，中佢哋會讀稱。呢一句個教學方法會長少少，我哋可以咁樣講。The U is pronounced like the vowel in look. Change the K to an NG sound, then you get lung. Then change the L to an S, sung. 之後，曾呢一個姓咧，外國人通常會讀 sang。我哋可以咁樣教佢哋。The TS is pronounced like the TS in cats. The ANG part is pronounced like the UNG in lung, so it's ung. Combine them and it becomes 曾。不過其實咧，見到 ANG 你要外國人讀係一個心理關口嚟嘅，所以咧我就勸大家去接受，其實外國人會將呢一個姓讀成青，你都要收貨噶啦。最後梁呢一個字咧，基本上外國人見到係完全唔識應付嘅。我哋可以咁樣教佢哋。Think of the word learn, but with an NG instead of the RN. Then you get learn. 大家知唔知道仲有啲乜嘢廣東嘅姓氏對於外國人嚟講係好難讀嘅呢？歡迎留言分享一下。